So here's the MowKart. Did a couple modifications on it. I got the shifter rod right here. Shifts it in here, nice and smoothly. A little fulcrum. I got the, don't mind the wiring. Didn't really get to that 100% yet. Got the chains on the wheels. I only have it going about 8 miles an hour right now, just because, well, safety reasons. There's no brakes on it really. It's got the tractor brakes on it. I'll show you this little setup we have back here. This is for the brake right here. Then we have the clutch hookup right here. I had to make that go up through the floor here and come out right here. So this all thread that I put together, that goes right alongside the motor, back in there to the clutch. Let's see. Pretty much everything's the same. It's 23 horsepower, 760 cc. The intake motor. This thing is a little bit of a beast. Let's see if I can start it up for you.